To be successful in business, you have to be disciplined like a boxer. I got into boxing at the age of 12 so I could learn how to fight, so I could stand up against bullies. So a typical day for me is I wake up between 4 to 4:45. I'm on the road by 5 a.m. I'll do a 7K run. I'll then get back, cold shower. I'll get into the office for about 6:30. I'll meditate for 20 minutes. I'll then write down 3 things that I'm grateful for, 3 things that I hope to achieve that day, and 3 affirmations. Following that, I'll read for 1 hour and then crack on with the day. I'll then go to the gym again at 12:30, train for half an hour, sauna for 10 minutes, cold shower, back into the office. I'll then meditate again for 20 minutes at 3 p.m. Then at the end of the day, I will write down 3 things that went great during the day, 3 things that could have been improved, and then I'll go to my journal. And the journal, I'm simply just rationalizing a lot of thoughts that are going on in my head, trying to solve problems more often than not, and just get into my own headspace. I read through the goals for that day, see if there's anything that hasn't been achieved, reschedule that for the next day or throughout the week. And keeping these rituals keeps me really disciplined and focused throughout the week.